Physical exercise or sports gift medicine. Physical exercise or sports longevity gift. Physical exercise or sport gift movement. Physical exercise or sport breathing gift. That we can win when you choose to exercise. You will see that for right now. Welcome to Objective Santé, your well-being channel. Will help you to master your functioning. We are machine, like all machine. If you bought a phone, you may read the functioning before use it. When you buy television, we may master the functioning before using it. We human beings, we haven't any functioning, so it's better for us to master our functioning, our machine. Isn't late. We are going to learn our functioning in order to have a longevity, in order to master our functioning and be able to use our organs in their best time. We are see better, we are hear better, will taste better, will touch better, and we will move easily. Because our teaching in our channel is to help you to master your functioning. So right now, we are going slowly and we are realize there are various conditions of longevity. Right? When your machine finish grinding your food, the nutrient will get out your cells and they will stay the wash they store in your organism. So the wash will get out of you, wash has their way. We have emunctories. The first emunctory is worms. So after eating in the stomach, we'll get out of us bad things by our shirts. The second is by our skin after transpiration. And the third way of elimination is by our kidney. And the last test is our breathing. So when you breathe, you get out of you. So when it's solid, there is raw. When it's a liquid, there is road. When it is air, there is road. Right now, our woman, wife, sister have a special organ, and that special organs allow us to multiply as our human being, our species on the road. So to patronize our species, we have to clean our organs, and that cleaning is done by menstruation. So each month will clean your organ, which are able to 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 allow us in order to to multiply ourselves. So our organism, there are twice, will work once a month in order to allow the other to rest a lot during 1 month. So when the pernicious wash get out of her, what are the presentations? When you are breathing, you breath the air, the cold air, and oxygen inside will be used by our cells. Our cell will take that oxygen, use them, and get out of here the pernicious, the dioxide carbon. And they will go through our blood and arrive in our heart before going in our limb and get out of us by breathing. And that water is warm because there are plenty of bad thing inside, plenty of toxin inside, plenty of dioxide carbon inside. So we are going to get out of us the pernicious thing by our breath. So to constate that you are getting out of your pernicious by your breathing, we put your hands on your nose. When you breathe, you realize that air is very warm. So that's why when you are exercise, our coach asks us to breathe by our mouth in order to catch a lot of air and transfer it in our cell and get out. So the wash can be a liquid. There are emunctories that can be get out of us by sweat, by perspiration, or by our kidney, by our urinate. So that, and the first emunctories is our wash. It's a solid, and we are able to know your health by your sweat, by your urinate, or by your stool. So right now, we are going to try to give you some direction in order to study ourselves and look at or watch the wash in order to know your healthy. It's your own cell, it's your own stool, so it's better for you to watch it in order to know how you are at currently. We have the normal stool which is brown. So when you are okay, where you haven't any sickness, your stool is brown. That the indication will help you to know how you are when you are watching your stool. So there are several conditions to realize that you have a sickness somewhere, but it's no use. It doesn't matter. I'm going to give you some simple condition, simple signs when you look at them that can help you to know what you are in right now. So you can watch the colors. The color of stool can be changed by three conditions. If you eat everything, you eat because it's sweet, you eat because you are rich, or that food aren't are the bad things. So when you may get out of the stall, your cell will be look like brown, white. But when you are vegetarian or vegans, vegetarian is who is able to eat the fruit and vegetable, and he can also eat the food we had be cooked, the meat will had be cooked in the kitchen. And when you eat, so we can't wash your stool, and from the colors of your stool, you will realize you're healthy at the moment. But there are vegetarian and there are vegans. Vegans are eating exclusively fruit and vegetable. So you eat lettuce, cabbage, lettuce, we realize that your stool is looks like green because the fruit and looking you ate clean all the sickness in our organs, but like there is nothing but the stay will can get out of you. Second, when you eat beetroot, tomatoes, we realize that your stool is look like red. That seems that your fruit and legume, the vegetable you eat, cleaned your organism easily. That's the impact of your alimentation when you choose to eat vegetable and fruit that impact the color of your organism. Second conditions that can be your medicine. Someone are always having medicine. They can't spend one day without having some medicine. So the color of the stool depends of the impact of the medicine on the organism. So the colors of the stool depend on the color of the medicine they have every day. So that means that the medicine is using he have an impact on his organism. And the first is the sickness. If you watch your stool and you saw some blood and cell, go to consult a doctor because that means that a pernicious disease is increasing in your organism and about to fail you down. If, for instance, your stool is look like black, go to see a doctor because that means that a pernicious doctor is apt to fall you down because it's the beginning of this pernicious disease. It's the beginning of the civilization, the disease civilizations. So when you eat, your food can impact your behaviors, your medicine can't impact your health. But what do we win when you exercise? We may do it because someone in that world, they have air conditioning in their bedroom, they have air conditioning in their living room, they have air conditioning in their car, they have air conditioning in their office. So they need to look for perspiration by exercise. It will be better for them. If not, they can't develop in pernicious dishes. We can't uh, make them very sick. Second advantage to exercise, the exercise will strengthen your cells, your organs, and you will realize that you're very free. And when you walk, you realize that you are very strong and you move freely. All person we do sports have a self-confidence. When you exercise, you have a self-confidence, and you can move freely. You can move, you will able to do your exercise whatever you want. You are not late. It's better for you to begin doing it right now because it's one of the conditions to have 120-year-old in that world. So the first condition is to choose your food, and healthy food. The second condition is to have a rest in order to fix ourselves. And we are right now talking about the third condition of longevity. My own goal is your healthy. You may have a healthy body. Thank you very much, and see you later.